Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up the OPPO Find X3 Pro for a senior person. And to do this, we'll need to launch our settings. Then on top we can find the simple mode, and that's basically the only setting that we want to enable. Because when it's enabled, you'll see that the icons become much bigger, also text becomes much bigger, and one additional thing is when we go to our settings, it's limited. There's you can't find all of the settings right here, and it's really hard to break something on your phone when there's no settings available. But if you want to exit that simple mode, you can click on exit simple mode. Or if you want to access all of the settings, click on all settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.